At One Stop Decorating, a lot of our clients ask us about blinds. And, what's out there in the world most of the time when people get online and they search and they're looking for window coverings, oftentimes they just search blinds because that's kind of the ubiquitous term we use, like Kleenex or Q-tips. But blinds are very specific in the window covering world. They are slatted products that tilt open and closed, and that could be a slatted material made of aluminum, that could be an alloy or composite hybrid material, that could be a real wood, or it could be a fabric material. But when we're talking about blinds, that's a product that both tilts open and closed and raises and lowers. It allows you to be able to adjust the amount of light or privacy that you want while the window covering is in the closed position, but it also allows you the ability to raise and lower it kind of like a shade, so that if you wanted that fully exposed window, you could have that. So really, with blinds, what you're getting is you're getting the maximum versatility. And when you pair that with something that might be an opaque material that you don't get light through, you can really adjust the level of light that you want in your environment. You still maintain the privacy because most of the materials are opaque or semi-opaque that you can't see through, but they do allow varying levels of light in them. So for instance, with a blind, if you're on the second level of a home and you want the most amount of light in the room that you can get, but you also need privacy, you can tilt those blinds in the upward position, because at that angle, someone on the lower level or street level, as they look up, will see the back end of a blind slat and will be completely private, yet you will be allowing all of the light from the sky to come in your room and be able to illuminate your room and give you that natural and that soft light. So it's a really great versatile product. It's something that people really enjoy the look of because you can adjust it to your own needs. And one of the other things that we definitely have to take into consideration, especially with a lot of our clients, is price point. And blinds typically are on the lower to mid spectrum as far as pricing goes. If you're doing your research and you're trying to understand maybe what window coverings fit into your budget, a great place to start if you have that introductory budget, or maybe you don't want to commit a lot of your budget money for your design project to the window coverings, start with blinds. They're going to give you a great versatile product at a great price point that's going to enhance the look of your home and really enhance your environment.